How to fix Google Authenticator not working on iPhone. So this issue might arise because your application is not up to date. In order to check it out, head over to your App Store. In the search bar, search for Google Authenticator. Move ahead to this app. Right here, instead of Open, if you see the option of Update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you're having this issue. In this case, simply tap on Update and update your app. Once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. In this page, search for the application Google Authenticator. Once you find it, head over to it. Now you have to clear the cache of the application, so tap on Offload App. And then once again click on Offload App. Well, it will clear the cache and the storage of the application and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Google Authenticator app not working on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.